Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Dash. Dash currently trades around $52. It's up 52% over the last 1 week, up 72% over the last 1 month. Dash market cap sits around $661 million. The altcoin market is bubbling front, left, and center. WG gains across the board in the altcoin market. A lot of altcoins are showing signs of life. Are we going to finally get that altcoin season in 2026? We'll look at the altcoin season index. We'll talk about sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, sentiment is neutral. We saw extreme fear gripping the market over the last 1 month. We look at Dash market cap, look at Dash performance against Bitcoin's performance against Ethereum. How high can Dash go over the next few weeks? Is it time to be accumulating more Dash? Can we rally past the 2021 highs? Can we rally past the 2017 highs? Can we get to new all-time highs? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. With Dash having a fully diluted market cap of $985 million, Dash is currently trading around $52, which is good to see. But let's not get carried away, guys. The all-time high for Dash sits around $1,642. Dash got there way back in 2017. Right now, it's down 96% from that all-time highs. All coins are very, very volatile. The reason why we're buying these all coins is because we enjoy those volatility, those big pumps to the upside. But then again, there's always the downside where this altcoins dump to Goblin Town. It's always that time when the market is bearish. We saw Dash pumping to higher values by 2017. Crazy, crazy pump. Dash was one of the biggest gainers in 2017. But since then, it has failed to return back to the all-time high. Since then, it's been dump after dump after dump for Dash. We have seen Dash first dump by 97%. The 2021 bull market was very underwhelming for Dash. We saw Dash pump to higher prices, but that pump saw Dash only rally up by around 1,000%, failing to get to the previous all-time highs, getting stopped out around the $468 level. From 2021 highs around the $468 level, we have seen Dash dump another whooping 96% from its all-time highs. That's to tell you how volatile these altcoins can be. Since 2017, Dash has failed to set new all-time highs since 2017. Can be argued that Dash is down 98% from its all-time highs. But I believe we're entering a new dispensation. I believe we're entering a new period where we see altcoins do well. We saw Dash start end 2025 on a very bright note. Dash rally up by 750% in 140 days, getting to as high as $153 before the rally came to an end. Then we saw Dash dumping again, enter 2026 with that dump to Goblin Town, that familiar feeling of, Dash not just going anywhere. We saw it dumping back to Goblin Town, finally finding support around the $29 level. But right now, Dash is up 78%, back to $52. Hopefully, it continues pumping to higher prices. Hopefully, Dash doesn't find resistance at the $75 level, and if we continue up to higher prices, we see that Dash rallying above $134, maybe getting to the 2021 highs of around $428. If Dash gets to that 2021 highs, would have been up by more than 1,300% from the bottom. Right now, a lot of market participants are pessimistic on the cryptocurrency market. A lot of altcoins holders are selling their altcoin back. They don't expect the pump to continue. They believe this is just a fool's rally that will eventually dump to Goblin Town. Yes, there's always that possibility that all this are right. There's always that possibility that yes, this is just a relief rally before we continue our trip down to Goblin Town. But historically, guys, when we see periods of accumulation like this, periods of accumulation always end with a big pump to the upside. And the next key level for Dash is the $137 level. And hopefully we'll rally past that and we start facing the $428 region. For Dash to rally now, from Dash to rally from where we're currently trading to as high as $489, Dash will need to pump by around 800%. This is possible, which can happen very, very quickly. The last 1 month alone has seen more than one altcoin went up more than 100%. If you go on a monthly time frame, you see Sky went up 897%, Ton went up 130%, Luna Classic went up 149%, and even Zcash went up 100%. So there's still hope for Dash. We look at Dash performance against Bitcoin. It's been dumping to Goblin Town since Dash was created, but finally we found the bottom in 2025, and since 2025, Dash is currently outperforming Bitcoin. Dash is up 250%. Hopefully, we'll see it making huge, huge gains against Bitcoin in 2026. If you look at Dash performance against Ethereum, similar price action, Dash has been outperforming Ethereum since when it found the bottom in 2025. In 2026, I'm expecting bigger up price swings for Dash, guys. When the market gets bullish, we see market participants running back into the altcoin market. That's been one of my resounding motto I always used to say. When the market is low, you buy. When altcoins are down, you buy. When a lot of market participants believe we are going to zero, when pessimism is at its all-time high, that's the best time to buy altcoins. As we see optimism start slowly returning back to the cryptocurrency market, as we see a lot of market participants finally leave the market, finally saying crypto is dead, finally saying they're waiting for the 4-year cycle, that's the best time to buy, because right now these altcoins are already showing us signs of life on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and on a monthly time frame. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. Expect the crowd to come when the pump is already over. If the crowd is always wrong at the extreme, expect the crowd to think that the altcoins are dead when altcoins are in the best position they have been in years. You look at Dash market cap still below the $1 billion level. The next logical level for Dash market cap will be to clear the $1 billion level. We saw it getting to as high as $1.5 billion. That's late 2025. In 2026, hopefully, we'll get above the $1 billion level, get to as high as the $4.2 billion region. That's what we got to in 2021 before the rally got rejected. We can rally past that $4.2 billion level where we got to in 2021. I had not seen any reasons why Dash market cap can head back to as high as $12.5 billion. For us to rally past the $12.5 billion level for Dash, Dash needs to pump up by more than 1,790%, which right now looks outrageous. But if you put this into perspective, that all coins could go crazy. We usually have all coin season, that 30-day, 60-day period where all coins are going bananas, where they are pumping aggressively to higher prices. If Dash gets one of those, don't be shocked to see Dash trading above $489 in the nearest future. I believe it will happen, guys. Our sentiment is slowly improving right now in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market over the last 1 month. But yesterday, from extreme fear, we went to fear. Right now, sentiment is neutral. Hopefully, we see some greed in the market over the next few days and the next few months. Hopefully, we see that elusive altcoin season pump. We've not gotten an altcoin season pump in 2026. We got one in 2025. It was very, very underwhelming. I believe we're going to enter an altcoin month at some point in time before the end of the second quarter of 2026. We've seen the first quarter, Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of altcoins did poorly, but the second quarter, Bitcoin and the altcoin market is holding on. Dash is holding on. Dash is up 71% over the last 1 month, up 50+% over the last 1 week. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. How bullish are you on Dash? Are you buying more Dash right now? Are you done accumulating? Are you still waiting for lower prices? Yes, we have not forgotten about the bears. The bears are still expecting us to dump to goblin town. They're still expecting us to go lower for a lot of these altcoins. If you're a bear, tell me why you're still a bear in the comment section. Tell me why you still expect lower prices in the cryptocurrency market. If you're a bull, how high will you be holding your Dash as it's pumping to higher prices? When will you sell for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.